I'll tell you this, in our experience, we found that 40% of people who told you they bought from somebody else are full of crap. So start asking questions about the system. And the way that you do that first is you start asking questions about the experience. Where did we fail? What did we do wrong? And even if you're not going to reactivate and get a new sale here, what you are going to get is invaluable information, which is also why the service is so important. What happened? Why didn't you go with us? Do you feel like you got all of the information that you wanted when you called us out? Did we provide you with all the solutions? Did my guy check X, Y, and Z? Was he taking static pressure? Did he look at your ductwork? Did he go up on the roof? Is he following his piece? Did he show you the load calculation, right? And so the cool part about this is now you're gathering information to prevent future lost sales.